Hi students, I am Tufan. Welcome to CMS Digital Classes. Today we will learn exercise 2.1, that is chapter 2 of class 4, which is related to the addition and subtractions of large number. You all have done lots of addition and subtractions in your previous classes, but here we will do with some large number. Okay, so first thing, let's discuss about addition. In case of addition, whenever you are adding, it two terms especially are: one terms the number which you are adding, and another the result after adding the number which you got. For example, you are adding 4 plus 2 plus 3. So what is the result? 6 plus 3, 9. So 9. So these are the one thing which you are adding, and this is the one thing which you got the result. So the number which you are adding, these all numbers are called addends. Okay, these all numbers are called addends, and the result which you are getting, that is called sum. Okay, so these all are the addends. Addends, and this is sum. Okay, so it may be with the larger number also. Whatever the numbers you are reading, those all are addends. Here addends 4, 2 and 3, and the sum, whatever the result you are getting, that is the sum. Okay, one more thing, as you are very aware about that, with any number, if you are adding 0, the number will be the same. Suppose you are adding 0 with 11, so 11 plus 0 is equal to 11. Suppose you are adding 0 with the 99, so 99 plus 0 will be 99. Okay, and then sometimes it is asking like this: find the sum of this. So this and this, these are the two numbers given, you have to find the sum of these two numbers. So basic concern of finding sum or addition is writing the number as per the place solution, as per the places of the number. That means we will write the number from the right side. First number you can write as it is. So first number, suppose that is 3, 2, 5, 4, 3. Next number, whenever you are writing down this to 8, we will start with the rightmost number. So rightmost number is 5. Then that means ones place, then tens place, 1, then 2, then 3, and then 2. Here it is same digits as this one. Okay, but sometime it may be happen this is of 2 digit, and then maybe another number is there which is of 4 digit. Okay, so in that case you cannot start from this side. If you start from this side, it will be wrong. So arrangement of number is very important in addition. Okay, in sum. So let's find the sum. 5 plus 3, 8. So 8, 4, 5, 7, 5, 5. So this is the result. Okay, this is the sum. This is the required sum. Okay, here addends are these two, and sum is this one. Okay, so this is how you can do the addition of this exercise. I hope you can do all additions by yourself. That addition was very easy. Now we will do the addition with the carry. Okay, so addition with the carrying also you have done lots in your previous classes. So let's do here with the large number. So okay, so first number is we have 1, 4, 6, 2, 2, 3. Another next number we have 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Next number which we have is 2, 7, 5, 2, 3, 1. Next number we have is 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Next number which we have is 2, 3, 7, 2, 2, 3, 7, 2, 5. That is only 5 digits. Rest of all are of 6 digits. See, here the problem may be created. So if you not start writing from the right side. Okay, so let's start here. So how much? 8 plus 2, 10, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 10, 20, 23. So 3. 2 is carry. So 4 2 are 8. 8 plus 7, 7 2 are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 8. 1 carry. 3 are 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. 14 plus 7 is 14 plus 7 is 21. Okay. So 1, 2 carry. So 6 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 0, 2. So 6, 6, 5, 11, 11, 3, 14, 14 and 10, 24. So 4, 2, 2 and 4, 6. So 640183 will be the required answer. The rest of all questions of exercise 2.2, 2.1 we already discussed. So 2.2 also you can do by yourself. Addition is there. Okay, now let's discuss about the mental mathematics which we have in exercise 2.2. So replace this star mark with correct digits. You have to fill these all star marks with the correct digit. It is not necessary that whatever I am explaining only this is the answer. Answer may be vary from student to students, because here somewhere you can see two digits are there. So instead of this they can replace their digits. So let's discuss how to do first. Okay, so here 3 5 are here, that is very easy. 3 5 are 15, so it will be 5. This will be 5. Okay, so 5 is 15's 5 we have written. So 1 is carry, so 1 will become here carry. Okay, so now here you have to check 7 plus 1 is 8, so 8 is here. Okay, so 8 plus how much? It is not possible that it will be 2. With 8, if you add any number, it will not be possible to find the 2. Okay, in counting number. Now here we have to check the next number. After 2, which number comes? Show that 8 plus that much is equal to 2. We already aware about that. In addition, we used to write the rightmost number here and leftmost number is getting carried. So we have to check the ones place number. So after 2 you can see 12. 12 is the number which we should check. That with 8 how much we should add so that the answer got 12. Okay, but here only not that much we have to write, because we know 8 plus 4 is 12, right? So if you write here 4, then here also you have to write, right? So if you write in here 4, you can write 0 here, or if you are writing 4 here, you can write 0 here. One answer it may be. So one answer it may be here 0, here 4. Okay, another answer it may be here 2, here 2. Right? So 2 are 4. Definitely. Another answer it may be here 3, here 1. Right? Another answer it may be here 1, here 3. So it is depending upon you which number you are writing. So let's write, I am writing here 2 plus 2. So now you can see 7 plus 1 is 8, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So 12, 2 is here and 1 again carrying here. Okay, so 1 plus 1 is 2. Right? So this is 2, this is 1. Now here 8. So 3 plus how much and how much is equal to 8? So we know 5 plus 3 means 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Now you have to divide 5 in these two numbers. So you can divide it as like 5 and 0 also. You can divide it as 0 and 5 also. Okay, you can write here 4 and 1 also. You can write here 1 and 4 also. You can write here 3 and 2 also. So let's write whatever you want, but it may be vary from student to student. So here we will write suppose 3 and 2. So 3 are 6, 6 plus 2, 8. So 8. So now 8, 2, 2, 4. Here also problem is here. Why? Because see, if you write here 5, if you write here 5, then here it will not come 6. So we need to check this one also. So we need to do the sum here in such a way so that 1 getting carry here and this sum become 6 also. This is most important thing which you need to take care of. We haven't seen this one, that is why we have done this. So we have to find, and we have to add here two numbers such a way that the sum become 18. So not 5. How much we should add here so that it become 18. Okay, so definitely it will be 15 instead of 5. Okay, so 15 plus 3 is 18. So now you have to divide it 15 into two parts so that the sum got 18. So how can you divide 15 into two parts? Yes, 7 and 8 or 8 and 7 or whatever you number you want. So let's write here 8 and let's write here 7. Okay, so now you can see 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus is 18, 10 plus 8 is 18, so 8, 1 carry here. Now it will be 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. So this is the how you can do this mental mathematics by yourself. Okay. Let's check the another one. Question number 2. So here 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 1 carry. Okay. So 2 plus 2 4, 5. How much? 5 plus how much? 2 plus 7. Definitely 2. Okay. So here it will be 2. The first number. Okay. Now 7. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 plus how much? 6 plus how much is equal to? Its ones place should be 3 and times place 1, 13. That means 6 plus how much is equal to 13 you have to check. 6 plus 6 is 12. So 6 plus 7 is 13. So 7 is 13. So here it will be 7. So 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 5 13, 3, 1 carry. 1 carry. So 8, 9, 16. Okay. 5, 8, 9, 16. So 16, 6 will be here, 1 will be carried. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus, here no any number is given, so you can write any number. So 1 is carried. So 4, 6, write any number, whatever you want. You can write 1 also. 1 is the lowest number you can write. You can write 0 also. Anything very hard. 4, 5, 6, 7. So here it will be 7. So this is how you can fill the star marks with the number as per your own choice. Okay. Next exercise which we have is 2.3. This is related to the properties of addition which we have already discussed now only during the class, that there are some properties of addition. Here it is talking about two properties. So order properties of addition. Order properties of addition means, see, you can order any addition, you can order in any how. For example, I am telling you to add 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. Okay. So at the time of addition, you can arrange these all number in any order. The sum will be same. For example, you can add these all like 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 7. So how much? 7 plus 6, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. So answer will be 18, right? If you are arranging, suppose you are writing 6 first, then you are writing 3, then you are writing 7, and then you are writing 2. So here also 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. Okay. So here also 18. So anyhow, you can arrange anyhow. You can write 7 first, then 3, then 6, then 2. Anyhow, however you are writing, however you are ordering, that is doesn't matter. The sum will be same in case of addition. Okay, so this is the first property of addition. And second one we have already discussed, that in addition, property of 0 in addition. So if you add 0 with any number, the result will be, sum will be same. For example, if you are adding 462 plus 0 is always 462. If you are adding 398 with 0, it will always give 398. The same number. 0, any number with any number, if you are adding 0, the result will be same. Here are some questions related to exercise 2.3. It is asking this much plus this much plus this much is equal to this much plus this much plus how. So here if you see, these are the some numbers which are same. So here you no need to check after adding that one process is long process is there where you can add these all and you can add these two and you can subtract and then this will come result. But that you no need to do because here the numbers are same. So here you can see 12780, 12780. This number is here in this side also. One is in left hand side, another is right hand side. These are the numbers which we have in right hand side and these are the numbers which we have in left hand side. So it is asking we have to make these all statements true. That means this should be same with the right hand side also. So here this number is there in the right hand side also and left hand side also. So here now you can see this number. So this number is also there in left hand and right hand side both. But this is the number which we have in left hand side but we don't have in right hand side. So definitely this much we have to add to make this equal. So 11992. This will be the required answer of this question. Now next question it is asking, see this one, this much of number do we have in the right hand side also? No. This is the number which we already have in the right hand side. So definitely this plus this is equal to this plus this as the ordering property of sum. So it will be 82881. So this is how you can solve the rest of all questions of exercise 2.3 by yourself. Next exercise 2.4 is based on word problems. These all word problems are especially addition only, but this is not the way. First thing you have to, in exam it is not exercise wise, so you have to understand from the question that is this addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, what we need to do is. Sometimes in question you have to do the multiple thing also. Okay, addition and subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, so this is how you have to first check the question, what question is asking. So in this question you can see it is given that in a particular shop there are this much of bags of rice, this much of bags of wheats and this much of bags of sugar. So it is asking that the total number of total number of things which we have in, how much is the total number. Okay, so you have to find the total number. So how we will do? By addition. Definitely the total of anything we can do by addition only, by sum only. Okay, finding sum only. So please add these all. Okay, so total is equal to first we will write the number in array by arranging. So 2, we can write like this: 2 3 5 7 8 plus 4 5 3 2 6 plus 2 5 6 9. Now we will arrange. So therefore 2 3 5 7 8, then 6 2 3 5 4, and then 9 6 5 2. So let's add these all. Okay, so 9 plus 6 is 15. 15 plus 8. Do one thing. 8 was 16, 17. 17 plus 6 is 17 plus 6 is 23. So 3, 2 carry. Okay. So 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 6 is 17. So 7, 1 carry. 10, 11, 14. 4, 1 carry. So 9, 11, 1, 1 carry. 7. So 7, 1, 4, 7, 3. This much of bags. Okay, so the total number of grains, the total number of bags is equal to 71,473. Okay, so this is how you can do question number 1. Let's do question number 2. Next, question number 2 and 3 I hope you can do by yourself. Okay, those are also word problems but related to the find the sum only. Okay, let's discuss about question number 4. Question number 4 is slightly different. Okay, so you have to relate that with the one example. For example, I am asking, you have purchased a pen. Okay, you purchased a pen at the rate of 40 rupees. So this is your cost price. You have purchased a pen at 40 rupees. Now you sell that pen with 20 rupees extra. Whatever the amount you are purchasing with more than 20 rupees, of that you have sold that pen. So with how much price you have sold that pen? This is the question. Very simple. आपने एक पेन खरीदा, कलम खरीदा जिसका प्राइस था 40 रुपीज, बट आपने उसको फिर बेच दिया जितना से खरीदा था उससे 20 रुपए ज्यादा दे, उससे 20 रुपए ज्यादा हमने उसको बेचा, तो कितने में बेचा वो पेन ये आपको बताना है. दिस यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट. सो हाउ टू फाइंड आउट? that means selling price, what you have done is you have to add. So 60, that means you have sell that pen, आपने वो कलम 60 रुपए में बेचा, right? 60 rupees you have sold with that pen. So now this one, question number 4 also you have to do like this. Okay, so he purchased at the rate of, if you see question number 4, the cost price is given 6, 2, 4, 5, 9, 8. This is the price in which that particular peoples purchase the things. Okay, now he is selling with this much extra amount. So let's check after reading. It will be 8, 9, 5, 4, 2, 7. This much will be the amount in which he has sold the particular product. So this is how you can solve question number 4. The rest of all problems I hope you can do by yourself, because as I am saying, the rest of all problems are same. Okay, only addition you have to do, and you have to understand the question what it is asking. Question number 5 is asking, there are this much of men, this much of women, and this much of children are there in a city, so find the total number of population. So find the total number of population is very easy. You will just arrange the number in as per the place value wise from the right side, and then we will add, then the total number of total number of populations of that city you will find out. Okay, question number 6 is, in a school library there are this much of books, this much of book, and this much of books. Different subject wise books are given, so you have to find the total number of books. How we will find out? Definitely we will find out by adding. Okay, now next we have is a company purchase a car of this and van of this, so how much money? Very easy. That suppose you are going to the market and you are purchasing some product at the rate of 100 rupees, and you are purchasing another product at the rate of 200 rupees. So if I am asking how much total money you have you have invest or you have purchased of, then you have to add those two, so 100 plus 200, 300. So this is how you can do question number 7 also by yourself. So now I hope you can do up to question number 2.4 all the questions by yourself. So homework will be exercise 2.1, 2.2, 2.3 and 2.4. So these all exercise you have to do starting from 2.1 up to 2.4, including all questions. You have to do in copy. You have to write the questions also. Okay. This is not of 1 day homework. This is of 3 days homework. So I hope you can do by yourself. Today you have to do, tomorrow you have to do, day after tomorrow also you have time. So this is how in 3 days you have to complete this all homework by yourself, and you have to send it to me. Thank you. Have a good time. Take care.